Toughness is their strength. Roughness is their game. But in bringing honor to the country, the Philippine Volcanoes keep their heads cool despite the pressure. With new Head & Shoulders Cool Blast for men, it removes up to 100% dandruff and provides a cooling sensation. In representing our country, they keep their head and shoulders above the rest.